In the previous videos, I explained to you about how to generate video by using Sora as well as presets and other video generation settings. In this video, I'll be explaining you how to upload your own image as well as videos and customize it with the help of Sora. So let's get started. So first, let's begin with the image. So for uploading our own image or video, you'll be having this plus icon over here. Click that and we're just going to click on upload image or video. And I'm going to select an image of a hot air balloon, and here you just need to describe what you want to change in that video. So I have just given this prompt: make the balloon move with some birds flying around it. And other than that, we are having the same settings, the presets, the aspect ratio. If you want it to be like this, it's giving you a preview, and the quality of the image as well as the duration, exactly the same settings. So once you have given this, just run it. So we have got the output now. This is how it looks. It has added some movement to the hot air balloon and the birds are flying around it. And another amazing thing is that it has added that light or fire coming there. That's amazing. So this is the image. I just uploaded a raw image of that, and it has added the birds, the movement, and as a bonus, without even me asking, it has added that fire effect, and that looks amazing. So if you want to edit the prompt, you can click on edit and play around with it. So now let's see how we can upload a video. So same thing, click here and choose upload a video and select a video. But I think you can't upload longer videos. For example, when I try to upload this 20-second video, it said me video is too large, you cannot upload. So here you can see it just threw an error. I think it's not taking longer videos. So what I did was I just edited that video and made it to 5 seconds. So I will just upload that video, the 5-second one. I'm not exactly sure what's the limit duration for the video that you're going to upload. I will just go with 5 seconds. So this is the video that I've uploaded, nearly 4 to 5 seconds. And as you can see, now I'm not getting any errors. Just click on remix, because that's when you are getting that prompt available. So here, let me go with 720p I guess, and one video. Alright, and just add a prompt. So I will just go with this one: make the sky dark like during night time with lightning and thunders. And I will just click on remix. So it has given me the output, and this video looks kind of different from the one that I uploaded, but it has given me that effect of night light and thunder. So this is the original video. Okay, so it has literally changed the angle and the perspective of the video, but the buildings are quite similar. The angle has changed, but it has given me what I wanted: a night sky with a lot of lightning and thunder. Not perfect, but does the job. And in the upcoming videos, I'll be explaining you about the remix, loop, storyboard, and blend features. So subscribe me. I've done a lot of videos in ChatGPT also. Check the playlist. Thanks for watching.